Important words of Hindu law. Marriage. A union of two sexes, male and female, it is considered a sacrament under Hindu law. Domicile. It is a place where the person actually resides. It can be different from the native place of a person. Legitimate. It means anything which is acceptable in the eyes of law, like a legitimate child. Illegitimate. Anything which is not acceptable by the law or which the law does not recognize as legal. Customs. These are the practices that have been observed and practiced for so long that its origin is difficult to trace. Usage. Every family or community or class of people have their traditions or rituals that they use and follow in daily life. These usages, after a long period of time, take the shape of customs. Full blood. When two persons are related to each other by a common ancestor and a common ancestress. Half blood, when the two persons are related to each other by common ancestor but through different ancestors. Uterine blood, when the two persons are related to each other by common ancestors but through different ancestors. Spouse, it refers to the marriage partner of a person. Husband and wife for each other are spouses. Saptapadi, it means taking 7 steps by the bride and bridegroom before the sacred or pious fire. Restitution, it means to restore it back to the original position. Conjugal rights, it means the right to have a company and sexual relations with the spouse. Company here means the support of the spouse in every situation. Void, it means null or per se null, anything which has no meaning in the eyes of law. Voidable, a thing is voidable when it is void or nullity at the option of one party. Impotence, it is the inability of a person to perform sexual intercourse. Petitioner, he or she is the person who institutes a case in the court. Respondent, he or she is the person who is the opposite party in a case and defends himself or herself from the plaintiff's accusations. Solomonization, it refers to those essential ceremonies which complete a sacrament called marriage. In Hindu law, the most essential ceremony is Saptapadi. Desertion. It is a condition when the spouse leaves or deserts his or her spouse without any reasonable cause. It may be actual desertion or constructive desertion.